She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is definitely going to be quick and easy and just in time for the summertime or any type of picnic or social gathering that you might be attending throughout this nice weather that's coming up. We are going to make a delicious and refreshing tomato, corn, and avocado salad with a honey lime vinaigrette. A lot of things going on in here, guys. I'll put the ingredients on the screen. As you can see, guys, this salad is packed with plenty of vegetables and delicious homemade flavors that I'm sure you are going to enjoy. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, consider hitting that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and give this delicious corn and tomato and avocado salad a try. We've got these multicolored tomatoes, some fresh sweet corn, red onions, avocado, cilantro, and then we went ahead and made our own honey lime vinaigrette. And any vinaigrette that you make, you want to have an acid and you want to have an oil. So in this case, the oil that we had was the extra virgin olive oil, and then the acid that we had was the lime. Alright, so let's go ahead and give it a try. There's my salad right there, you guys can see it. Beautiful colors. Got yellows and oranges and reds and greens. Let's go ahead and take a bite. Share it with you guys. Take a bite. Take one more bite. You guys, this is delicious. The flavors in here have all melded together. So you've got the creaminess of the avocado in there, but then also the sweetness of the corn. Then you've got those tangy tomatoes in there and onions with the lime and the honey vinaigrette on there. And then that cilantro adds a nice kick to it as well. Definitely refreshing, something that is going to be perfect for the summertime because it's a nice cool salad. Super easy to make. You could also use canned corn instead, and if you just have the regular cherry tomatoes or just the regular tomatoes itself, would be fine. Same as with the onions, if all you have is regular onions and not red onions. I do love these tomatoes though, the heirloom tomatoes, the medley. So they're always so pretty, and then they're always so delicious. There's nothing better though than fresh corn right off the cob. You definitely can tell the difference. It's crunchier. It tastes more fresh. I definitely recommend you give the vinaigrette or the dressing a try. And don't feel bad because it's not very heavy. It's not a heavy dressing. With the vinaigrettes, that's the good thing about it, and especially if you make your own homemade vinaigrette, you know exactly what's went into it. But it's usually so much better than the store-bought dressings. It's just a nice light flavor, but it's so flavorful. If that makes sense. Very good flavors, you guys. Can't stop eating it. Alright guys, so I definitely recommend that you give this corn, tomato, let's just call it a corn and tomato salad, but it's really corn, tomato, avocados, and everything else. So delicious, so flavorful. Just in time for the summer. Definitely recommend this recipe, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this recipe just as much as I did, because I almost ate the whole bowl. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also guys, don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite salad is during the summertime in the warmer weather. Share this video out, I definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a brand new video. You You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching.